How to do a deadlift right. How to do deadlift. First, we stand in the same width as the shoulders, with the center of the foot below the bar. Holding the rod when the arms are out of the thighs, straighten to a standing position and contract the buttocks and so push the pelvis forward, but not excessively to prevent pelvic overstretching as well as damage and injuries. As we descend, we simply slide the pole on the hips, until the weight is placed on the floor. It is important to note that the pole should be as close as possible to the legs, which is also why we see athletic athletes with skin injuries mainly in the thigh area, due to the rubbing of the pole at the legs. The barbell should rise and fall straight and not move from its axis, much like the Smith mesh in training. It is important to get to the joints that perform both the activity and the hips and knees. It is important to keep your chest out and shoulders back to avoid a bent back position, and should be kept straight back throughout the movement. The deadlift mainly activates the muscles of the sternum, so we need to feel them when exercising, and slightly back and not the other way around. There are different variations to the deadlift exercise. 1. The classic deadlift illustrated. 2. Stiff deadlift. Exercise is more sensible to the hamstring. 3. The sumo deadlift, the same concept of a classic deadlift, only with a wide mattress stand and 45-degree angled feet, and the grip of the rod more tight, a palm of your hands between your hands. What muscles work in deadlift? The deadlift works mainly on the leg muscles, quadriceps and hamstrings, buttocks, glottis, and lower back, arctic spina.